Hi everyone, welcome to our English lesson at the summer fair today.
Hello, friends. Thank you for watching. We are happy you are here.
Today we learn simple English for a problem at a busy fair.
You will practice asking for directions, describing things, and talking about feelings. A1 to B1 level.
Please subscribe to our channel and join more easy English stories with us.
Write a comment and tell us which country or city you watch from.
Hey Jessica, it is such a nice day for the summer fair.
Hi, Ryan. Yes, the weather is great and the fair looks fun.
Wait, my wallet is not here. I cannot feel it in my pocket.
Oh no, Ryan. Did you drop it near the entrance or ticket booth?
I had it when we came here. I paid for my ticket just now.
Okay, first we look around here. Then we ask for help politely.
I cannot see it here. Maybe someone found it and took it inside.
Maybe there is usually a lost and found desk. We can ask directions.
I will write some useful questions in English. My level is still A1.
Good idea. We can practice easy sentences together while we search.
Excuse me, can you help me? I lost my wallet here.
Ryan, describe your wallet. Say the color and size very clearly now.
My wallet is brown and small. It has a zipper and one silver button.
Good. You can also say, it has my ID card and some cash.
They did not see it, but they were kind and tried to remember.
Yes, and you asked very clearly. Let us ask another person nearby.
Excuse me, is there a lost and found desk in this fair?
Nice sentence. It is short, polite, and easy to understand for helpers.
Look, this map maybe shows the information desk. It is near the big wheel.
Great, we can walk there now and ask again in clear English.
The map was right. The information desk should be close to this big wheel.
Yes, let us practice again before we talk to the staff there.
Excuse me, I lost my wallet. Is there a lost and found here?
If they ask, you can say when you lost it and describe it again.
Okay, they said the lost and found is beside the main stage over there.
Good. You understood directions in English. That is a big step in confidence.
Lost and found, lost and found. I need to sound clear, not nervous.
You sound fine. Just speak slowly and make each word strong and simple.
I am still worried, but I feel more ready to talk in English now.
That feeling of progress is important. You are learning through a real problem today.
Hello, I lost my brown wallet today. Did someone bring a wallet here?
If they have it, check carefully and make sure it is really yours, Ryan.
This is my wallet. My ID card is here, and all my things are inside.
I am so relieved. I was afraid it was gone for the whole night.
I feel so relieved now. Losing my wallet was scary, but I learned useful English.
Yes, you asked for directions, described your wallet, and talked about your feelings clearly.
Thank you for joining our story at the fair. Please practice these sentences, and goodbye, everyone.
Bye, friends. Thank you for learning with us today. Goodbye, Ryan. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Did someone bring a wallet here? Did plus base verb for past questions? Is there a lost and found here? Is there asks about existence? Lost and found, lost and found. Noun phrase for a help desk. Near the entrance or ticket booth, prepositions for place. Beside the main stage over there. Close to this big wheel. In my pocket, took it inside. I cannot feel it in my pocket. I cannot see it here. Use cannot for clear negatives. I had it when we came here. When Klaus gives time. I paid for my ticket just now. Just now marks recent past. We can ask directions. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Can shows ability or suggestion. I will write some useful questions. Will shows a simple plan. Should be close to this big wheel. Should shows expectation. Let us ask another person nearby. Inclusive let us softens advice. Let us practice again. Use is there or can you to ask. Describe your wallet. Say the color and size very clearly now. Adverb clearly shows manner. Just speak slowly. Make each word strong and simple. Check carefully. Make sure it is really yours. You understood directions in English. Great past verb, understood. I will show when to use them in real life. We will use exact lines as examples. Hello, friends. Thank you for watching. Greeting plus gratitude language. We are happy you are here. Present simple or plus adjective. Please practice these sentences. Please softens the imperative. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me opens the request. Can you forms a polite request. I lost my wallet here. Past simple lost states a fact. Hello, I lost my brown wallet today.